today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2014 Mazda CX-5. This is super easy. You don't need any tools, and it works with model years 2014 through 2020 plus. So I'm on the passenger side. I've got the glove box open and empty. First thing to do is to release this strut and just pull back on it towards yourself. Next thing to do is push in the center here. Inside here then you've got a white tray with a little tab at the bottom. You just lift up and the filter comes out. You can see this filter is very dirty. Arrows should point down on it. You can see that here. This is a Mazda filter originally. Here is the replacement filter I'm using. I bought this on Amazon. I'll have links to this and many more options that you can buy on Amazon for this car. I've used this brand before and it's activated charcoal, which I like, and it's pretty affordable. Just a bit of comparison between old and new filters. So again, the tab needs to be on the bottom, and if the filter has an arrow, it should be facing down. Just slide it into the slot. And it relatches. To re-put this in, just squeeze in, and now it's latched. And then don't forget this strut here at the bottom. Just kind of pull it out, push it down, and reattach it. Close your glove box and you're done. You've saved yourself probably $40 or $50 versus the dealer doing this job. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And make sure you check out those links on where you can buy this filter on Amazon. Thanks.